First, right-click anywhere on the desktop and select Personalize. This opens the main appearance settings window. Select the taskbar option to change taskbar settings. Select the style for the search box, or completely turn it off. You can show just icon or with the search box. The black and white icon at Task View icon, if you want to learn more about Task View. I have a complete video in the same playlist. You can click here to watch that video. This option is used to turn on or off the task view. And this. To make the widgets shortcut appear or disappear from the taskbar, use this option. If you want to learn more about widgets, I have a complete video in the same playlist. You can click here to watch that video. Pin menu is used if you have pen with your screen. The last option we are showing here is keyboard. It is on-screen keyboard. Choose from the options to show it every time, never, or when the physical keyboard is not plugged. You can also select which apps appear in notification area by toggle the options off or on. And that's a complete guide to Windows 11 appearance settings. Now you can personalize your PC exactly how you like it. If this video helped, give it a like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what feature you like the most.